biodiversity lurks a creature of myth and legend. This is a realm where the veil between reality and folklore is thin, a place ruled by the immense and powerful. We're venturing into the murky, winding waterways of the world's largest jungle to confront its apex predator, a serpent so colossal it has haunted human imagination for centuries. Today, we unravel the secrets of the anaconda, the true giant of the Amazon. Forget the exaggerated tales from Hollywood. The reality of this magnificent snake is far more compelling, a story of incredible adaptation, raw power, and an essential role in one of Earth's most complex ecosystems. Prepare to be submerged in the world of the water boa, where size is just the beginning of the story. The term anaconda often conjures a singular, monolithic image of a giant snake, but the name actually refers to a genus of snakes known as asterisk, which translates from Greek to good swimmer. This is a fitting name for a creature that is more at home in the water than on land. There are 4 recognized species within this genus, each with its own unique characteristics and territory. The most famous, of course, is the green anaconda, Unex marinus *. This is the species that has earned the legendary status, the true behemoth of the snake world, found across the Amazon basin, from the murky rivers of Brazil to the flooded savannas of Venezuela's Llanos. The green anaconda is a master of its aquatic domain. It is, by weight, the largest snake in the world. While reticulated pythons in Asia may grow slightly longer on rare occasions, no other snake can match the sheer mass and girth of a mature green anaconda. But the green anaconda isn't alone. It's smaller, yet equally fascinating. Cousin is the yellow anaconda, Eunectes. As its name suggests, this species boasts a more vibrant yellowish-brown coloration with distinctive black blotches and spots. It primarily inhabits the wetlands of the Pantanal region in Brazil, Paraguay, and Argentina, a slightly different environment than the dense rainforest preferred by its larger relative. Though it doesn't reach the gargantuan sizes of the green anaconda, the yellow anaconda is still a formidable predator, often reaching lengths of up to 15 feet. 2 other, much rarer species complete the family. The dark-spotted anaconda, Unex, Dschauensei, found in northeastern Brazil and French Guiana, Unex beniensis, from Bolivia. Each species is a testament to the evolutionary artistry of nature, perfectly sculpted for its specific niche within the vast South American landscape. When we talk about the size of the green anaconda, it's easy to get lost in hyperbole. Sensationalized reports and fictional stories have claimed lengths of 50, 80, or even 100 feet. However, scientific evidence paints a more realistic, though still awe-inspiring picture. The largest anacondas reliably measured and verified typically fall in the range of 17 to 22 feet. While claims of 25-foot or even 30-foot individuals persist among local accounts and seasoned herpetologists, these are exceptionally rare and often difficult to formally document in the remote jungle. What truly sets the green anaconda apart is its incredible weight. A 20-foot anaconda can easily weigh over 400 pounds, with some exceptional specimens tipping the scales at more than 550 pounds. This immense mass is pure muscle, wrapped in a thick, scaly hide. Its head, though seemingly small in proportion to its body, is equipped with a formidable set of recurved teeth, designed not for chewing, but for gripping prey with an inescapable hold. Their eyes and nostrils are positioned on the top of their heads, a brilliant adaptation that allows them to lie in wait. It's almost completely submerged, with only their sensory organs breaking the water's surface like a living periscope of death. The anaconda is a non-venomous constrictor, but its method of dispatching prey is no less effective or terrifying. It is an ambush predator of the highest order, relying on stealth, patience, and explosive power. An anaconda can wait for days, even weeks, in a single spot. Motionless in the murky water, blending in perfectly with the decaying leaves and sediment. It waits for an unsuspecting animal to come to the water's edge to drink. Its prey is varied and depends on the size of the snake. Younger anacondas might feed on fish, birds, and small mammals. But a full-grown adult has a much more ambitious menu. Capybaras, the world's largest rodents, are a common food source. So are deer, tapirs, and even caimans, the formidable crocodilians of the Amazon. When a target is within range, the anaconda strikes with lightning speed. It latches on with its powerful jaws, and in the same fluid motion coils its immense muscular body around the victim. The kill is not made by crushing bones, as is commonly believed. Instead, the anaconda employs a method called constriction, which is a far more sophisticated and rapid process. With each exhalation of the prey, the snake tightens its coils, progressively restricting the animal's ability to breathe. Simultaneously, this immense pressure puts a catastrophic strain on the circulatory system. Blood flow to the brain is cut off, and the heart is put under unbearable pressure, leading to a swift death from circulatory collapse and asphyxiation. Once the prey is subdued, the anaconda faces its next challenge, swallowing it whole. The snake's jaw is not unhinged, but connected by highly flexible ligaments, allowing it to stretch its mouth to an astonishing degree. Slowly, painstakingly, it walks its jaws over the prey, using powerful muscles in its throat and body to inch the meal down into its stomach. A large meal, such as a tapir or a caiman, can take many hours to consume and will sustain the anaconda for an incredibly long time. After such a feast, an anaconda may not need to eat again for several months, spending its time in a slow digestive torpor, often basking on a riverbank or a low-hanging branch to aid the process with the sun's warmth. The life of an anaconda is intrinsically tied to the water. They are far more agile and graceful in an aquatic environment than on land, where their massive bodies make them slow and cumbersome. The water supports their weight, allows for silent movement, and provides the perfect medium for their ambush hunting strategy. It is also where the circle of life begins. The mating process for anacondas is a fascinating spectacle known as a breeding ball. When a female is ready to mate, she releases pheromones into the water, attracting males from all around. It's not uncommon for a single large female to be courted by up to a dozen smaller males simultaneously. They form a writhing, intertwined mass that can last for weeks, with each male vying for the opportunity to reproduce. Unlike many other snake species that lay eggs, anacondas are oviviparous, meaning the female retains the eggs within her body until they hatch. She then gives birth to live young. This is a crucial adaptation for a largely aquatic animal, as it removes the need to find a safe, dry place to lay eggs. After a gestation period of around 6 to 7 months, the female will give birth to a litter of 20 to 40 baby anacondas, though larger litters of up to 100 have been recorded. Each newborn is about 2 to 3 feet long and is a perfect miniature of its parents. From the moment they are born, they are completely independent, equipped with all the instincts they need to hunt and survive in the perilous Amazon. However, their small size makes them vulnerable to a host of predators, including caimans, large birds of prey, and even other anacondas. Only a small fraction of these young snakes will survive the gauntlet of their early years to reach the colossal sizes their species is known for. Despite their fearsome reputation as manators, documented cases of anacondas preying on humans are exceedingly rare. We are not their natural prey. A human's broad shoulders present a significant challenge for even a large anaconda to swallow. Most attacks on humans are defensive, occurring when a snake feels threatened, cornered, or is startled by an accidental encounter. The indigenous peoples of the Amazon have coexisted with these giants for millennia, treating them with a mixture of fear, respect, and reverence. In many local cultures, the anaconda is a powerful spiritual being, a guardian of the waters, and a symbol of both creation and destruction. They are seen not as monsters, but as a vital and sacred part of the natural order. Today, the greatest threat to the anaconda is not a larger predator, but the same force that endangers the entire Amazon ecosystem: human activity, deforestation for agriculture and cattle ranching, mining operations that pollute the rivers with mercury, and the construction of hydroelectric dams are all fragmenting and destroying the anaconda's habitat. Climate change also poses a significant risk, altering rainfall patterns and the seasonal floods that are essential to the health of their aquatic world. As apex predators, anacondas are a key indicator species. Their health and population numbers reflect the overall health of the Amazon basin. When the anacondas begin to disappear, it is a clear and alarming sign that the entire ecosystem is in distress. Protecting these magnificent giants means protecting the intricate web of life that they preside over. It requires a concerted effort to preserve the rainforest, to combat pollution, and to find sustainable ways for humans to coexist with the wilderness. The anaconda is more than just a giant snake. It is a living symbol of the wild, untamed spirit of the Amazon. It is a reminder of the power and majesty of the natural world, a world that we are at risk of losing. Its survival is intrinsically linked to our own, a silent, slithering testament to the delicate balance we must strive to protect.